Hey everyone, just a little special alert. Just be aware that potentially what's been happening is cryptocurrency YouTubers, their comment sections potentially have been hacked with a WhatsApp text. When you leave a comment and a response comes through as a WhatsApp to contact, giving them a number. This is Carl the Moon on one of his sessions, but multiples. I've gone through and I've found that these hackers, or however they're aligned, that they're actually portraying to be the YouTuber. One in the space that we're familiar with, which is Crypto Coffee, his channel, his comments. Send a message. So when you leave a message, it's going to pop up as if Crypto Coffee sending a message to personally invite you to invest. Be very careful of these potential hacks. All the major YouTubes, as I've scanned through it, thinking crypto, all of them. Crypto, contact them, let them know, but a WhatsApp message will appear if you leave a message about any video that they have done. You will get a response with contacting. Call them on this WhatsApp, and then they present opportunities. Be very careful, be vigilant. Is it a scam? Is it a potential scam? But I believe that these YouTubers and these influencers no way would allow this. So this is happening across the board. All YouTubers, this is what has been happening. Your comment sections have been infiltrated with a WhatsApp response to your subscribers, asking them to then invest in mining. One is a future finance. Be very vigilant. Do not send money. Do your homework. Not allegedly, but what it appears to be is that the comment sections, a response is given to you through a WhatsApp. This is one of them. Another one is this block matrix to easily be able to invest in crypto, sending funds to get you to invest, put your money here, to be very cautious. They're portraying to be your favorite influencer that you follow. It's across the board. Share it. Be very cautious when you receive a message. I've been analyzing and scanning and doing homework on this. This is the two that I have found. This one here, the future finance. Very unlikely that the influencers that truly believe in decentralization, not your keys, not your cryptos, that you would send over and create this uncertainty, centralization, these plans that they offer to reduce volatility, potentially, allegedly, are scams. But how they're getting the information to be able to infiltrate the comment sections, share it. It's across the board. I've been going through it. So when you receive a response and it's a WhatsApp response to a comment, As I stated, there is no way, no how that this influencer that's very honest, Crypto Coffee, would ever promote any of such garbage when he's a true believer in decentralization and is a Hex OG, true decentralized finance. Da Vinci J15, the same thing. His comment sections. All the major YouTubers. So when you receive a response, be very careful. It is not them. Somehow, some way, they're infiltrated the comment sections. Get the word out. Very, very crucial. Be very, very careful. Hexicans, Zenites, share the word. Anyone that's in cryptocurrency, we have to be aware of this scam, alleged scam, but how are they infiltrating the WhatsApp through the comment sections? And then once you respond, they're portraying to be the influencer. Get the word out. Share it. Be very careful. It's not them wanting you to then put your money in these projects. As I've stated, future finance, block matrix. Be very cautious, be aware, get this word out. There is no way, no how that all these YouTubers or these cryptocurrency well-informed educators in the space would do such a thing. It is across the board. Get the message out. Urgent, share it. Be vigilant. Not your keys, not your crypto. You would never do this. They would never, and certainly I know for a fact that Crypto Coffee would not do this. So these are alleged scams. Be careful, but definitely share the message. Urgent. Talk to you soon. Stay vigilant. Not your keys, not your crypto.